So, good morning, YouTubers, traders. Good evening, depending on where you are. My name is Michael and I'm from Aegis.CMEG. So today's starting lineup is CCL, AAL, UAL, WFC, C. WFC is I think was Wells Fargo, Bank Financial Services. C is also Citigroup Financial Services. Oxy, which is the oil company, oil company, and CLDX, I think some kind of pharmacy company, I think, bioscience, and Play is Dave and Buster. So this is the entertainment center in US. The adult, I mean, not the, I mean, people go there, playing games and have something to eat. It's pretty nice. So market today is slightly up after a bloodbath yesterday. So you look at the S&P. Yeah, yesterday it just dropped by like 1,000 point on Dow Jones, and yeah. So, but today it seems like we bounced back. I think people were afraid yesterday that there is a second wave of coronavirus infection in US, but I think it has been priced in on the market, the overall market. So I'm not an expert. If you ask me, I'm not an expert in the overall macroeconomy. I do have some idea about what's going on, but if you ask me, hey, why does this go like this? Why does this go like that? Well, I would suggest that you read some article and educate yourself and take my words for it, because all I care right now is mostly a short term. How do I profit from the volatility in the market? Other than that, I'm not too interested in following what's going on because I'm not in the long run. My other investment, they are all in real estate, so I only play stock market in the short term, which is trading. So if things goes well, I might increase my account size, but for now on, I like to keep it for a small account only, 5,000 US dollar, and see how it goes, at least for maybe a couple of months. See if I'm really comfortable with uh, all of the trading and stuff. Okay, so I think time is 1 minute, sorry, 2.5 minutes before market open. Let's see. So Dave and Buster. It's weird. Dave and Buster reporting an earning that they lost money, but it seems like the stock is moving up. It seems like everything has been priced in the market. So Dave and Buster reporting a quarterly loss of $1.37 per share, compared with forecast of 85 cents per share. So this is almost double from the forecasted period, right? I mean, from the forecast number. But interestingly, on daily basis, the stock has just went up. I guess it's I guess it's been priced in already. So March, June. Yeah, I mean people think that hey, because coronavirus, people do not go outside and play, or they do not dine out. So yeah, naturally we can understand. We understand why you lose money. So they but seems like the prospect is pretty good. Okay, so let's just concentrate on the market. Alright, 10 seconds before market open. Let me see Uber. Alright, so let's see. Oxy looks strong. CCL. Short selling restriction, crap. I tried to short CCL, but it says it's short selling restriction, so wow, everything is under short selling restriction. All of my damn, all of my stuff, all of my watch lists are under short selling restriction. So what happened? Are they people expecting they sell off? Wow. Wow, everything is under short selling restriction. So, man, there's nothing you can do actually. I mean, even if you want to short it, you're not allowed to. So, Everything I think is coming back up. See if it's everything. Market still. Mm. So I'm trying to go long on UAL. This makes me nervous. That makes me nervous. So yeah, Oxy is quite nice. Alright, let's try this. So I try to go long one more time on Oxy. Damn it. This makes me nervous. Alright, so one more time. Oxy. All right. I keep getting this anxiety performance issue. Alright, see if I can do this one more time. So I think I'm breaking even at today's trade. It's just that I don't quite comfortable. Okay, let's see this. All right, one more trade. So Citibank, Citigroup. Let's go Citigroup. All right, this is ridiculous, right? This thing. All right, I'm just gonna stop. This is stupid. I don't know why I have anxiety issue, right? This thing is. I trading breaking even basically today. The couple things. Um, I guess it's been the reason for that is the all of the stock is being okay. First of all of the stock they started weak, right? And when they start weak, what happened is um, all of my watch list they have this symbol SSR.S. So this is under short selling restriction. It means that the stock cannot be shorted, right? Regardless, I mean, technically it can be shorted on the way up. So let's see if you look at the Oxy right here. So if this goes up like this, then you can short it technically, but it's very hard. So almost all of them under a short selling restriction. So that's kind of like thrown me off a little bit, right? And almost all of them is under short selling restriction, and that's just so when there is an opportunity for me to come to going long on the Oxy, for example, I kind of like hesitate because the, psychologically, I was thinking that this stop is just gonna stop me out. You know, it's just gonna go down and then drop, and then it's just put me out of the trade. So that's why this is the reason why I took a too small of size and I scale out too quickly, right? Because technically I should wait until the stock goes this way and up until the resistance line. But again, so also same thing here, right? This is also nice. I probably should have waited a little bit more. So I think on Oxy I did okay. Yeah. I made some losses on Oxy, but I think overall I did okay. The biggest loss that I got is UAL. So yeah, UAL. I don't know. I tried to go long in here, but the stock is just drop, right? And then it makes me nervous again because I always, my psychology think that the stock is going short. I mean, the stock is going to go down, go down, go down, and go down because look at this short selling restriction. Usually, when the broker put this stock selling restriction, the stock usually it means that usually stock is weak. So I was under the impression like that, right? So this messed up my trade. So that's why I didn't do that well. So look at this. I knew I should have waited, but again, psychologically I'm not in the right mind. So I lost money here. Same thing in UAL on the UAL also. Let me see which UAL. So UAL I try to go long and then get stopped out, go long and get stopped out again. So that's really bad on UAL. So that's the Citigroup. Citigroup actually I did. What did I do on Citigroup? Citigroup I go long, but then get stopped out again. I should have taken more sizes on Citigroup because it's just move incrementally low and incrementally small. So that's the reason why I think Citigroup is like it's almost break even. I think on Citigroup. CCL Oxy, CCL I think, yeah, CCL is the same, right? CCL I go long and then quickly I exit because it's just not right psychologically. Okay, so today is, I think I call today's breaking even. So Okay, I'll see you on weekend and have a nice weekend. I'll see you next week, Monday, 9:30 p.m. Singapore time, 8:30 p.m. Indonesian time, or 9:30 in the morning, New York time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.